Hello watcher and subscribers, as we are learning Python and till now we have seen various programs of Python, and nowadays Python is very famous programming language. Everyone is talking about Python. If you are visiting Facebook or any social networking site, you can get the advertisement of Python learning, and here in the YouTube I publish so many videos. And finally we will give a close look on machine learning, because if you are learning Python, then somewhere machine learning also comes, and many students they are having misunderstanding about machine learning. So in this tutorial we will see machine learning, and along with that we will give touch on AI also, like artificial intelligence. So before going on actual machine learning and I will tell you here one more thing. Machine learning or AI, they are not limited for one particular language. Means the Python is based, means the many people, many developer, they are telling nowadays the Python is based for the machine learning. But Python is not only language to apply for machine learning. There are various language. One of the famous language is Java also, and other languages also like C++, they also help for the machine learning. So machine learning is not limited only for Python, but Python is definitely best language for the machine learning. That's why the Python got more popularity these days. Got it? But machine learning concept is not limited for one language only. So in this tutorial, first, we will give touch on AI. What is AI? So AI long form is artificial intelligence, is the branch of computer science that emphasizes the development of intelligence machine thinking working like human. Examples are application like speech recognition, problem solving, any problems, learning and planning. So actually the AI is a main concept, and it is known as artificial intelligence. Artificial means something is provided to the system or machine, and intelligence means it think over that data and give the best result to the user on the basis of available information. So that is what artificial intelligence. And in the artificial intelligence, actually it's a broader concept, and in AI there are various kinds of problems. Means AI is having various kinds of application. Means whatever you do by coding, by using various languages, that comes under the AI, like database business application, if you are doing application for online earning, any problem solving, statistic related application, and robot making, that comes under the AI. Many people they think that AI means only robot making, but it is not true. Actually robot making is the higher level, and many scientists they are trying for the best robot that will think like a human being and will apply on various sector. But that work is still going on, and it is a higher level, and as a student you cannot jump directly on robot making. Got it? So you have to means AI means it is having a broader concept, and it includes various kinds of application. So as a user, it is not possible to learn a complete package of AI. You have to think about particular area. So that is for the AI. And you can see here, as I already told you, like you can observe in this image, as I told you, many people they are thinking like robot making or the particular sector is known as a AI. So once again I tell you, AI, it is having the various kinds of application like problem solving, any business related application. So that comes under the artificial intelligence. So now we will see about the machine learning. So machine learning is a application of AI. It gives devices that ability to learn from the experience. Example, image recognition, translation, speech recognition. These are the example. Like you can observe in the image also, many people they learn many things from the experience and do the better work. Suppose as a teacher, every year, every term we learn new things and we use that experience for giving better result to the student. So same for the machine learning. Machine means it is not just a blank machine just gaining the experience. So machine learning means we provide a sort of coding, okay, to the system or to any machine, and it just operate, and it deal with the input data and it give the best result to the user. For example, image recognition, okay, it scan the images, and translating particular language to other. Speech recognition, it is useful for searching. We use this speech recognition in various application, like in YouTube also we use, or it is just used for it is just using your voice as a input, okay. So in machine learning actually various application comes. I give you here best example, like online shopping we use Amazon, Flipkart. They use a same kind of tool. If you are searching anything, if you are shopping anything, suppose you are shopping for smartphone, then what happen, if you are continuously searching smartphone, then it will give you automatically the smartphone that you may purchase, okay. Means it is not like if you search then only the particular smartphone will come for your search list. Means whatever the data you search, then that particular software it will do that study and it will automatically provide you a data that you may like. Got it? For example, in YouTube also, if you subscribe any channel, or if you are watching the videos of particular topic, suppose you are watching the videos of Excel, then in your home page already automatically some Excel videos come from particular channel. So the YouTube think that you will refer that video, and you will refer that video for watching. So YouTube automatically does that work. It will do the study on your search basis. So it generally happen whenever you search anything. For example, in Google, if you are searching any topic, got it, then in the suggested list it will give you some website, and in that website that topic is present. So in this way the machine learning work. The machine learning means it will give you the best result, and it learn through the experience, okay. Means it automatically search some information for you. So that is what the machine learning. So that machine learning comes in picture. So we you already know, you always use some online shopping app, YouTube you use daily life. So in that application the machine learning concept is frequently used. So that is what the machine learning. So learning is based on the input, and we provide some kind of software already there, and it is operated on the basis of that, and it will provide the best result to the user on the basis of the available information. So that is what machine learning. The concept is very simple. Just like human being, we are getting the experience and we are giving based on particular field. So same like machine learning, it is just operating and dealing a best result to the user for particular software. So machine learning actually it comes under the AI. Got it? And the AI it includes the concept of machine learning. So I hope dear student now you understood about machine learning and AI. So in the coming tutorial we will add some application on the base of machine learning. I will make some tutorial. I will make some programs for the basis of machine learning. So I hope dear student you understood the importance of machine learning and AI. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.